Pisces, this is Akansha from Antardana Tarot Reading, presenting your readings for the month of July 2016. So today I am using the Romance Angels deck to find out what future has in store for you. Now let's spread out the cards and find out what God has to speak to you, what messages, what guidance He wants to give to you. Okay. So this is your present situation card, what you should do or what obstacles you are facing right now and what would be the outcome of it. So the very first card is your present situation card, worth waiting for. Okay. So this is the card which speaks about your present situation. Worth waiting for actually says that whatever is happening in your life or whatever actions you want to take now, so this is actually very good right now. Since we say that patience, if we keep patience, then we get good fruits, we bear good fruits. So this is all that this card wants to speak about. Have patience for anything, for any new thing that you want to start, and if you have worked a lot on something, then just be patient, you will be getting good results very soon. So this is something you should wait for. If you are looking for something, if you are looking for somebody, this card strongly says that you should wait for that person. So in case of career, I would say if you are looking to be in good terms with everybody, if you are looking for some kind of growth, if you are looking for promotion in any way, so I would say that you should wait for it. You should be very patient about it. Don't just put your energy in a very negative way. Keep your energy in a positive manner. Think that things will be very fine and it will be according to your expectations, and even it could be better than your expectations. So you should wait for the right time and everything will happen whenever it is meant to happen. So even if you panic or do something which is not up to the mark, your situation is not going to be improved, rather it may cause many troubles for you. So everything will happen in its perfect divine timing. Even if you are in a relationship or if you are looking for somebody, if you want to enter into a relationship, then this card strongly says that you will find a perfect partner for you in the perfect timing. If you are already in a relationship, then I would say that you are already with your soulmate, you are already with your loved one. So enjoy this time, enjoy the love, the romance, the passion that you people have, and just make your partner feel special, and just keep this journey as adventurous, as romantic, as passionate, as loving, as complete it should be. So this is your present situation. Now what you should do right now is make the effort. Okay, so it is worth waiting for, but try to grab the opportunities where you can actually show your potential. So currently you should wait for whatever wherever it is required to be patient, but also show up your talents, show up your views where your instincts say that yes, this is going to benefit you. So make the effort in that way. If you feel that things are going in a wrong direction, it should not be in this way, it should be in a proper manner, then just go ahead and follow your heart, follow what your mind says, and just do it and don't think much about the results. So this is what this card speaks to me. And also, if in a relationship, as I already said you for the previous card, that you should make your partner feel special. So try making your partner feel special. Make your partner feel as if you are the best person on this earth, and he or she is the best person to find you on this earth as a partner. So make the effort to make your partner happy, to make your partner feel complete, feel relaxed, feel enjoyable in this relationship. So this is what this card wants to say. Now the final outcome is finances and career. So guys, I strongly feel that you will be getting everything what you are looking for by the end of this month. If you were facing some monetary issues, if you are facing some financial issues, they are soon going to end. And also your career will be at a great level, at some highest level, in a peak where you will be performing very well, where you will be appreciated a lot. So this is what I feel from your cards, that ultimately it is the finances and career that is going to improve. And also, if you are in a relationship and you people are not able to get as one individual, if you are not able to get married because of some reason, then finances and career could be a reason. So by the end of this month, I feel that you will be getting a good news related to your financial state and your career state. So get ready for the news and enjoy this time. And you can so this is all for this month, guys. If you have any reviews, any comments to share, please do share it in the links below. And you can also follow me on Facebook, on my Tumblr page, and you can also get your personalized readings done by me. For that, you can check my online store. So this is all for this month, guys. You can also check out my answer series, which I put up after every 10 days, where you can think about your question and the cards will answer it to you. So for every zodiac that is being put up after every 10 days, so you can check that out. And that's all. You just need to enjoy this month. Enjoy a lot. Have a great time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.